There are some names in the automotive world that need no introduction. Mustang, F-150, Bronco. But even among these giants, one name stands above the rest when it comes to changing the course of history: the Ford Model T. First introduced in 1908 by Henry Ford himself, the original Model T revolutionized transportation, bringing the automobile to the masses and transforming how the world moved. With over 15 million units sold, it wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American innovation and industrial power. And now, in a stunning turn of events, Ford has brought the Model T back to life. But this isn't a retro remake or a nostalgia project. This is the 2026 Ford Model T, a bold reimagining of the world's most iconic vehicle, built for the roads of tomorrow. In this video, we're taking an exclusive, in-depth look at what makes the 2026 Model T one of the most unexpected yet exhilarating automotive comebacks of the decade. Design, retro roots, futuristic execution. From the very first glance, the 2026 Model T grabs your attention. Ford's designers have managed a rare feat, blending the unmistakable silhouette of the original with the cutting-edge design language of the 21st century. The iconic boxy profile is still there, but it's been smoothed out with aerodynamic contours. The front grille mimics the 1908 version but is now a functional digital display, capable of animations and customizable lighting. The old brass radiator cap has been reinvented as a solar-powered range extender module, hinting at its green future. And yes, the wheels still have that classic spoked look, but now they're made from forged carbon fiber with regenerative braking hubs. Even the color palette includes a modern twist on Ford's historic "any color as long as it's black" rule, introducing electric obsidian black, a paint infused with reflective particles that shimmer under direct sunlight. Inside, it's a different universe altogether. Interior, minimalism meets modern luxury. Step inside the 2026 Model T, and you're greeted with a minimalist yet elegant interior that pays homage to its simple roots while offering everything you'd expect from a luxury EV. Gone are the rows of buttons, knobs, and switches. Instead, a wide curved OLED display spans the dashboard, integrating real-time diagnostics, navigation, entertainment, and AI-powered driving assistance. The steering wheel. It's a foldable yoke-style control, reminiscent of a carriage handle, another nod to the past with a futuristic edge. The materials are sustainable yet upscale: recycled aluminum trim, vegan leather seats infused with memory foam, and hand-finished wood accents sourced from reclaimed Ford factories across Michigan. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin changes with drive modes: cool white for Eco, royal blue for Touring, and a deep red for Performance. But what truly sets this interior apart is what Ford calls the Heritage Drive Mode. Heritage Drive Mode, history in motion. Activate Heritage Drive Mode, and the Model T transforms, digitally and emotionally. The screen switches to a sepia-toned interface, the speaker system plays vintage jazz, and the accelerator response is tuned to mimic the throttle behavior of the original 1908 version. Even the electric motor sounds are overlaid with an audio recreation of the classic T's sputtering engine. It's not a gimmick, it's an immersive time capsule that lets drivers feel the past while cruising the future. There's even a setting where you can toggle augmented reality visuals on the windshield, turning modern city streets into early 20th century landscapes. Powertrain, electrifying the past. Underneath that nostalgic body lies one of Ford's most advanced electric powertrains to date. The 2026 Model T is built on a newly developed skateboard EV platform, featuring dual motors, all-wheel drive, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.3 seconds. A far cry from the original's top speed of 45 miles per hour. The battery? A solid-state 95 kilowatt-hour pack delivering up to 400 miles of range, with ultra-fast charging support, adding 200 miles in just 10 minutes. Ford also includes wireless charging capabilities, and thanks to the Model T's lightweight design, efficiency ratings are among the best in its class. There's also an optional range extender module built into the rear trunk space, styled like an old gas can but packing a compact hydrogen cell. In terms of ride and handling, the new Model T features adaptive air suspension, drive-by-wire steering, and torque vectoring. Whether you're on city streets or winding country roads, it handles with confidence, comfort, and character. Technology, autonomous and connected. The 2026 Model T doesn't just look futuristic, it acts the part too. Equipped with Ford's Blue Cruise 3.0 system, the car offers Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities on designated highways, complete with lane change assist, traffic jam pilot, and intelligent overtaking. The onboard AI co-pilot, Henry, is a voice assistant modeled after Henry Ford himself, complete with classic quotes and dry wit. The vehicle also supports V2X, vehicle-to-everything, communication, enabling it to talk to traffic lights, parking meters, and even other vehicles to optimize routes and improve safety. Ford's over-the-air update system ensures that the Model T keeps evolving, learning, and improving long after you've left the dealership. Sustainability, green from start to finish. The original Model T changed how the world traveled. The 2026 version aims to change how we treat the planet. Ford has emphasized sustainability at every step of this vehicle's production. From recyclable body panels made of hemp-based composites to solar-assisted charging, the new Model T is more than just carbon neutral, it's carbon positive over its life cycle thanks to a partnership with reforestation initiatives. Even the tires, produced in collaboration with Michelin, use biodegradable materials and sensors that notify drivers when and how to recycle them. This isn't just a tribute to the past. It's a bold step toward a cleaner future. Price and availability, bringing mobility to the masses again. Back in 1908, the Model T became famous for being affordable. It sold for just $850 at launch, and prices dropped steadily over time. Ford hasn't forgotten that mission. The base model of the 2026 Ford Model T is expected to start at just $28,000, making it one of the most affordable long-range EVs on the market. That includes full connectivity, fast charging, and the nostalgic experience package. Higher trims, including Pioneer, Heritage Limited, and the performance-focused Model T GT, will range between $35,000 and $55,000. Ford is also planning a subscription program allowing users to drive the Model T on demand through the Ford Pass network. Availability begins in North America and Europe in early 2026, with Asia and South America to follow by the end of the year. Pre-orders are already open, and demand is skyrocketing. Cultural impact, why it matters. The 2026 Model T isn't just a car. It's a statement. It bridges generations. It shows us that tradition and technology don't have to be at odds, that history can be a foundation, not a constraint. Ford has taken the DNA of its most iconic product and injected it with 21st century relevance. For young drivers, it's an entry point into EV ownership that's stylish, affordable, and loaded with personality. For classic car lovers, it's a loving tribute that captures the spirit of the original.